So, you want to know what autumn in Florence is really like? Ciao, your Florence Fashion Insider is back. Tonight, we're taking a slow stroll through my city. The weather? Rain, just a soft drizzle. Don't worry, Florence gets even more charming when it's wet. I'm Sofia. I usually show you street style moments, vintage find, and little luxury fashion from here in Italy. But tonight, it's just you and me walking through the city I love. Turn on captions so you can read along with me. I'll stop talking for a moment so you can hear the sound of the city. Bellissime, andiamo, ti mostro Firenze.
Dimmi quando tu verrai. Dimmi quando e baciandomi dirai non ci lasceremo mai. Non ci lasceremo mai. Non ci lasceremo mai. Mai, mai, mai. Non ci lasceremo mai. Non ci lasceremo mai.
Più avanti a sinistra.